If you search on YouTube, how to make a heart in Blender, you will find a lot of videos like this. But today I am talking about a different way of making a heart. Select the default cube, and go to Edit mode. Select Edge Select Tool. Now press Ctrl B, and drag it out. Press the C to stop this effect, and drag it out like this. Now press the S, and 8 to create 8 segments. Merge all by distance. Select this middle edge loop. Turn on Proportional Edit tool, and set it to root. Drag it down along the Z-axis. Change proportional size like this, select all, and scale down along the Y-axis. Select these vertices, and merge them to the center. Now grab down the middle vertex, and scale down the proportional size. Apply the subdivision surface modifier. Set origin to geometry. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to us, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.